Flannery to throw again. This time only 15 metres short of the line. Good clean ball again. Big number 8-4 doing the job. Now O'Driscoll getting it wide. Back they come. Confusion amongst the All Black defenders, and Brian O'Driscoll scores for Ireland.
Well, what a start, Ireland. It's really only the second time they've tried to move the ball in the game, and it was a clean break. O'Driscoll, the man, straight onto the ball, stepping inside Rocco Thoko. Seemed to be plenty of defence.
Well, it was Nonu, wasn't it? It was clean ball off the top, very quick ball, good transfer, good pass from O'Gara, and then another good transfer from Darcy, and it was outside Nonu who was left gasping, and inside Rocco Thoko.
Not the first try he scored here at Waikato Stadium. And some thinking to do for the All Black midfield. O'Gara with a chance to put Ireland ahead. 7 points to 5.
Well, one of the questions, of course, asked before this team took the field was about the inexperience of some of the players at this level.